How to use demo trading on BingX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. And if you are on the hunt for how to use the demo trading on BingX, then you are in the perfect place. BingX offers a super easy demo mode that lets you practice trading without risking real money. So here's how you can easily do it. First of all, launch Open BingX application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged into the BingX homepage, go ahead and tap on Futures at the bottom center. Inside the Futures tab, go to the upper right corner and tap the three dots, and then from the menu that appears on the screen, click on Demo Trading. Soon after you do that, you will be able to switch to demo trading right away with just a click of a button. Now you'll enter the virtual trading environment. BingX gives you free demo funds, so you can practice without risk. Now select any currency pair from the top and demo trading will work just like the real market. Just like real futures trading, choose long or short option. So there you can easily switch BingX to demo trading. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.